Hi, this is Ravi here. We are just going to discuss about one of the best topic, CBC, complete blood count. You know, this test is recommended by doctors. Complete blood count is a routine blood test that frequently preferred by doctor to check overall health and detect a wide range of disorders, including anemia, thalassemia, bacterial or viral infection and leukemia, cancer. A complete blood count measures several components and features of blood including RBC, WBC and platelets. You know guys, CBC test done for the following: anemia, thalassemia, iron deficiency, vitamin B12 or folate deficiencies, fever or flu, weakness, tiredness, fatigue, bleeding disorders, heart disease, autoimmune disorders, bone marrow problems, cancer, infection or inflammation. Red blood cells count, RBC count. Red blood cells RBC carry oxygen and throughout lungs to tissue and remove carbon dioxide CO2 from tissue to lungs. So the normal range of RBC red blood cells in male 4.7 million to 6.1 million per microliter and female 4.4 million to 5.5 million per microliter. When the decrease RBC level, so anemia, excess bleeding, RBC discharge, nutritional deficiency, iron, vitamin B12 or folate deficiency, bone marrow disorder, chronic inflammatory disease and kidney failure. When they increase RBC level, so it's called polycythemia. So dehydration, lungs disease and kidney or other tumor that produce excess erythropoietin and the smoking, genetic causes and altered oxygen sensing and the abnormality in the hemoglobin oxygen release. So you know, hemoglobin HB measures the amount of the oxygen carrying protein in the blood. Normal values, male 13 to 17.5 gram per deciliter and in female 12.5 to 16.5 gram per deciliter. When the HB level is low, it's called anemia, thalassemia and high polycythemia vera and hypoxia, hematocrit, HCT or PCV, packed cell volume, percentage of red blood cells in whole blood, HCT equal to HB into 3, in male 38 to 54% and in female 34 to 46.5%. You know, white blood cell count, WBC count or TLC, total leukocytes count. WBC protect body against infection. Normal range 7 to 11,000 per microliter. Low in leukopenia and the autoimmune disorder that destroys white blood cells, bone marrow problems or cancer. High in bacterial or viral infection or inflammation, leukemia, cancer, immune system disorder or a bone marrow disease. So differential leukocytes count, DLC, there are 5 types of white blood cells. Neutrophils 40 to 75% of WBCs, lymphocytes 20 to 45% of WBC, eosinophils 1 to 6%, monocytes 2 to 10% of WBC and basophils 0 to 1% of WBC. So you know, platelets count. Platelets help in blood clotting or control bleeding. Normal range 1.5 to 4.5 plaques per mm cube and increase thrombocytosis, inflammation, iron deficiency, anemia and decrease thrombocytopenia, blood loss, medications antibiotics, viral infection or bacterial infection, alcohol abuse, bone marrow disorder, leukemia. MCV, mean corpuscular volume, is a measurement of the average size of RBC. ACT, RBC count, and mean corpuscular hemoglobin, MCH, is a calculation of the average amount of oxygen carrying hemoglobin inside a red blood cells. RBC, HB count, and mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration, MCHC, is a calculation of the average percentage of hemoglobin inside red cell. HbACT. Red cell distribution width, RDW, which may be included in CBC, is a calculation of the variation in the size of RBC. You know, a reticulocyte count. This test measures the number of new red blood cells in body. MPV, mean platelet volume, the average size of the platelet. And PDW, platelet distribution widths, how much platelets vary in size. You are just looking on this screen the CBC report, hemoglobin, RBC and ACT, normal range show here, and showing here MCV, MCH, MCHC, total leukocyte, TLC, and differential leukocytes, DLC, neutrophils, all of this. So you are just looking on this screen, and normal range also provided in this video. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.